So just an update on this property. The tenant, as you remember, has abandoned it. They ran off and owed the landlord some money. The landlord then got in touch and asked us to essentially take over management and sort this mess out. Now, special thanks to Carl from Birmingham Pelican, who has completely cleared out this place. I mean, it was just full of rubbish. If you remember, or if you've watched the video previously that I've done, when we first entered the property, it was an absolute mess. I'll try to link it in the description somewhere, but essentially the walls was just full of crap. There was just like weird plastic stickers all over the ceiling. It was a mess everywhere, and there was like food and everything. I mean, imagine that, but in the whole house. So Carl has essentially just moved everything, which is, it's a lot of work. And you want a specialist to do that, because you don't want a builder to spend their time doing that, because they're not set up to clear rubbish. You really do need a specialist, and Carl is your man. So special thanks to Carl for doing that. Then we got Alex in, and what he's done is essentially redecorated throughout. So as you can see, the walls now are in really, really good condition. It's actually not finished yet. Everything should be done by tomorrow. But right now, he's essentially just redecorated throughout. I mean, that's how bad it was. I've asked him to redecorate throughout, and also then to go around and reseal all the worktops. There was like stickers there, so I had to take it off. Fix little things, just like stuff that was just stuck all over the walls. Make some repairs on stuff in the bathroom. Once Alex is done, the completion date is tomorrow. This is the bathroom. Once Alex is done, so we had to reseal all that, just in case. A, it was moldy, but B, we just don't know the state of it. So you've got a tenant moving in, and they just create a lot of leak. It's better safe than sorry. It costs like a few quid. It'll save you or save the landlord a lot of money, potentially. Once Alex is done, then I'll ask Helen to come in and give the place a good deep clean. But not only that, I'll also ask Helen to do a carpet clean as well, because this property is actually really new. It was purchased, I think, only a few years ago, and it was the first set of tenants who then wrecked it. So these are all new carpets. So the carpets themselves, actually, they're in good condition, in the sense that they're not, well, that's burnt, but they're not like ripped, and there's not burn marks all over the place. They're just very dirty. So rather than replacing the carpets, we'll just give them a deep clean and see what it's like afterwards. And this is the final room. So it's actually 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom has an ensuite. So it's just a really high-end property in a really nice area. Okay, so once Helen's done with the deep clean, bathroom, and the carpet clean, I'll come back, take some new marketing pictures, new marketing video, and update the ads. What I'll do now, though, is I'll try to find pictures of when the property was marketed for sale. Basically before when the landlord purchased it. I'll try and find some images, or I'll take some pictures now, get the ads going, because this property will be restored back to its original standards, original state, which is basically brand new. Hopefully we can use those original marketing pictures temporarily, get the ads going, and then update the ads with R1. Obviously I'll ask for consent and everything first. But yeah, this is essentially the type of issues that you can potentially get with tenants. And this is why you need a good lettings agent, especially somebody who's an investor like myself, who can tackle these issues and just turn the place around for you and get it managed. So if you don't know me already, my name's Nguyen. We let manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham, and I actually specialize in fixing issues like these. Again, this should now be let within a few weeks. I expect it. It's a good area, really nice property, and hopefully that will be all the problems resolved and sorted out for our landlord client. Hopefully that's been helpful. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.